Si Irene naman, royalty fee lang talaga siya eh. So pinagamit niya yung kanyang consignee para sa royalty fee. Kada container na darating, meron siyang royalty fee.
So who owns this EMT trading?
Si Irene may tatad po.
Si Irene.
Opo.
And then you and TJ just work with them, with her, without necessarily being partners with that EMJ trading, EMT trading.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama po. In your affidavit, you made mention about this green lane, yellow lane, and red lane. I believe that in the previous hearings, Mr. Guban already testified on this. And I wish to hear if you have the same concept and information that you will share pertaining to these 3 lanes: green lane, yellow lane, and red lane.
Hindi ko po narinig